Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another video. After a long while, you may have seen. Right now I'm on my way to buy a Nintendo Switch because I really like games. I've been gaming a lot lately. So I'm gonna buy the Switch and see if I can start streaming and all of that. I'm gonna be a gamer, a streamer. That's coming soon. When I was younger I couldn't buy video games because I was poor, but I'm not so poor no more. So I'm gonna buy the Nintendo Switch and see if I can download Pokemon on it because I love Pokemon. I don't know why, it's just a thing that I like. You know, people like what they like. I like Pokemon, even though I'm a grown man. But it is what it is. So let's go. Let's do this. I'm a gamer, baby, and I bought the Smash as well. All of my real niggas know about this back in the day. Smash Life, Super Smash Brothers. Oh dear. Hi, what's up YouTube? Did you miss me? I know it's been a while, but I'm back here with a new video today. I'm doing an unboxing of this new Nintendo Switch that I got. Yeah. So I'll be doing an unboxing of this new Nintendo Switch that I got, and I got it with the Smash. All the real niggas from back in the day, from Game Zone days, knows exactly what this is, you know? Yeah, so we're gonna do an unboxing and do some gameplay today for you to see what exactly is going on here, you know? See what exactly is up. It's a new Nintendo Switch game, the Nintendo Oled. Comes with the white controllers. As you can see, the white. I'm gonna try to connect that right away. Right away. I'm gonna get into it straight away. Alright. Okay, so this goes here. As I'm seeing exactly what's going on here. Next side. Next side. Ooh. Let me turn on now. Upside down? It's upside down, bro. I did it the wrong side. Let me take it off. How do I take this off? I'm gonna have to look out to take this out. It's not the wrong side. It's up and running. It's not the wrong side, it's the right side. I speak English. I speak English. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm in the Americas. Out of the setup stuff. So accept next. I probably should read this before I set it up. No. This is a big boy, you know? It's bigger than my head. You know what I mean? Like, what else I'll get this with? So I'm gonna set up that afterwards. So I'm gonna show you what else I got. I got this. I guess this is to connect it to the TV. This is the slot that you put the game in. I wonder what if I can like watch movies on this game. That would be nice. I'm gonna check that out. I buy it just to play video games though. It's big. It's bigger than my phone. It's super bigger than my phone, you know? I like it a lot. And if I can do more things than just play games, it would be nice. So this is supposed to go here. This is supposed to go in here. And then you connect this to the TV. You connect this thing here to the TV. And then you play it on the TV. You can take the controls off and you play it on the TV. So yeah, so that's what this wire is for. Let me see where I put this wire. Where do I put this wire? No, this isn't for this is for like the internet. This isn't for the TV. Maybe it's for, I don't know what that wire is for. It doesn't like it connects to this. This is a charger. I can charge my game. This is the charger. this is the, what is this? This looks like something to play with the game. Up and down volume button. I don't know what this is for. I'm gonna have to look up all of these things and what they're for. This is at the other side, like it looks like a two-side thing also to go on the game. I'm gonna have to look this up. This is the controller I use when the game is connected to the TV. So I just slide in both controllers here and I play it. Yeah, so I'll give you a setup and a demonstration real quick. Yeah, that's the game that I got. So I'm gonna set it up and then I'll turn on the back and then show you the gameplay of the Super Smash Brothers Ultimate. Okay? Yeah. So I just unbox this. So I just take out the plastic in it. The only thing that's in it is this little cartridge thing, big thing. And just select this. It's crazy. What it is. So the game is updating. The Smash, it's updating. So I'm gonna go buy some mango, some East Indian mango right now quickly. Come back $1,000 worth. Wonder how much it's gonna get me. Hopefully it gets me 5. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So I got 4 mangoes with my $1,000, you know. This one point over the tint on the front. But it is what it is. Go now, eat my mangoes, chill and then go supermarket afterwards. Curfew is what time? 12 o'clock? 12 o'clock curfew now. So I'm not for worry. Mega Mart don't lock until about 10, right? So I'm gonna chill. Time is 2 minutes to 7. So I'm gonna eat my mango and chill a little bit at home. Play my video game, my new game, Smash. Set it up and show it. Look at this beautiful baby here. Ooh. Almost as big as my head. You're not getting none, okay? So the game up and running now. Super Smash Brothers. Run it a little bit before I set it up on the TV. Smash out in there. I don't understand this game, but I'm gonna set it up on the TV and play it for a little bit on this first, and then I'll show you what's up on the TV, okay? So here we are. You know what I mean? The game that I want to play is downloading right now. I just bought a game. It says 13 minutes to finish. So once it's finished, then I'll start up the game and show you. But I connect it to my TV and everything is on the up and up. So they can find. That's where it is. That white thing right there is the game. Connected to the TV. Working properly. When I was using the Wi-Fi just a while ago, it was taking way longer to download the game. And when I connect it to the TV, the thing is connected to it. The wire, internet wire. So it's 13 minutes now, so I'll see you in 30 minutes. Okay, so the game that I just purchased is now ready to play. And I'm on my way. Nintendo. No Irish to know thine appearance. I'm a black boy. I'm black. is thy name? Thy name, sire, is Bobo Dread. Bobo Dread. Yeah, man, a Rasta man. When you see me, you know, see Africa. I'm on my way right now to Island Grill. I haven't had Island Grill in probably like a month, probably 2 months since it was raised. I'm going to test out it back here now. See what it go on with fast, you know. Okay, YouTube. So this is the gameplay of the game that I bought. It's Pokemon. Right? You can hide in the grass. But it's a Pokemon that switch up on me. Yeah, this stray ball in my face. It's because I'm using one hand. But that's the gist of it. And I caught a new Pokemon. And I can use it to battle. So I will switch to that Pokeball, go up on that one. So the next one over there. So let's see, you know. I'm using one hand, so it's kind of hard. Let's see, you know, I'm brushing my face. Nah, man. And I caught another Pokemon. I'm out here stealth like a ninja. I'm trying to say. Yeah. Ninja boy in the grass. It's really fun. I'm enjoying the game. You know what I mean? I'm having a lot of fun with the game. I'm gonna continue playing. And that's it for the video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.